To start like that?
I mean, that seems like a stupid idea.
I mean, sideways wouldn't be the worst shout.
Which side though? That way. Oh, we'll start normally.
I mean, I'd go towards the back wall because then he'll think, well, he's not going to go force towards the spikes, but he's also not going to reverse. There's nothing he can do.
He's just going to just sit there.
I'm just going to drive forward regardless.
You're not going to give Waddledee any time to spin up?
Maybe a couple of seconds.
Roboteers, stand by.
It's not very responsible, it's full combat.
3, 2,
Make
You
me
need to say
spare
shield.
so I don't focus.
activate.
Hey David. Alex is going through.
I know.
Oh! Meaty.
Oh god!
Meaty.
I don't mind it. Let's see if I can Cobalt. I want that duck bill.
That £4.90, I reckon.
There it is. That's a first.
Probably 4 pieces.
That wasn't even a full speed. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I know you're good, man.
How are you on thermal?
I'm not sure about this.
She doesn't totally risk it. You could turn it down, but where's the fun in that?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
We've had some fun on that night. I think it's fun.
Although we might have a limited amount of fun left by that level.
Yeah.
That was good off with this.
Yeah. Been loose for a little bit because it's unbalanced.
That front panel's unhappy.
My favourite robot is White Box. Ooh! Hello! That's a bit spicy.
I mean, Fanny's pay attention to
No.
time. We've got 1 minute 5 left.
No! Surely.
Stop the weapon and it might...
I mean, meanwhile...
I mean, the duck can't do anything to help.
Come on, get through. But it is technically still mobile. I think this is a...
That's a KO.
Ow!
So, you mentioned Cobalt.
I'm not okay with this.
You mentioned Cobalt.
I'm not okay with this.
I'm so okay with this.
I'm furious.
This is revenge for you knocking Sweepy in the pit.
Yeah.
Damn blast bugger.
Let me just... I'm off to the shops. Don't mind me.
I knew I should have taken that other one. Can you only drive in circles with that side drive?
Yeah, but he can drive in a straight line using the weapon as well.
Yeah.